The oven that we have actually uses anthracite coal. We don't use gas, we don't use wood. It cooks at about 1,000 degrees, so your pizza comes out in 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, it does have a little bit of a char taste to it, which we love. It gives it a good crunch, but yet just a really unique taste, authentic taste that you would not find at a normal pizza place. I'm Brett Adkins. I am the owner here at Sela, also known as Pryor's Pizza Kitchen.
Hello, my name is Keenan Hersey. I am the general manager here at Pryor's Pizza Kitchen.
So this building is actually, it's really cool. It means a lot to me. We actually did what they call a structural mason building. So there is no wooden walls, there is no insulation. It's something that you would see 100 years ago being built. From sitting at this bar right now that's made from a 1918 Case tractor that our beer taps are out of, to a bridge that came off Highway 77 down by Wynnewood, to wood that's 120 years old.
So currently we are all counter service, so you go to the counter, our cashier will take care of you. You can order your food and non-alcoholic beverages at the front counter, take a number, sit down, and we will bring your food and everything else to you. If you'd like to sit at the bar, you could order your food and alcoholic drinks at the bar. My
favorite actually is probably the Pryor's Pizza, which is really good. It's kind of the meat lover's pizza.
So my personal favorite has to be the Mr. Adkins. The Mr. Adkins is pepperoni pizza with calabrese peppers, and then we finish it with a sweet gastrique. So we actually do offer a gluten-free crust, and we offer a vegan cheese to try and accommodate a wide variety of people as well.
The wings are amazing. Our wings are only cooked in the coal-fired oven. They are not fried. So you're not gonna find anything like this, again, anywhere.
And we only do one flavor, and that's because it is a lemon fresh herb, and once people try them, they understand why we only do one flavor. I get that question so much. I will tell you about one of my favorite appetizers as well as one of our best sellers. So the pork belly is one of our best selling appetizers right now. We do a smoked fried pork belly, and we make the pickles in the house. It takes about 30 hours to make from the time that we get the pork belly until it's time to hit the table. So a lot of love goes into that dish.
Pryor's to us is, you know, the building, for instance, we could have built something really fast, but we built this unique building, structure building. But as far as our coal oven, to all our pizza doughs made every day, to all of our appetizers.
I feel like you could come here with just your wife or your significant other. You could sit at the bar, have a drink, and enjoy just the two of you. Or you could bring the kids and you could bring everybody, sit at a big table in the lobby and just enjoy. The kids, we give them dough, little pizza dough to play with while they're waiting on their pizza. The parents just love that. And so I really feel like it's a unique place.
You're just gonna have to come try it and really get the taste of something that you probably never even had. But we'd love you to come on out and see us, and more than likely I'll be here, or my wife, or one of us, but come see us.